Hi. Queen, right?
Yeah, Queen.
What's up?
I'm fine. Bellington, I want to tell you something. Can we knock?
What's what you do here? If you are trying to prank me, where is the camera? Come outside me, I can't fall for your prank.
It's not a prank, like I mean it.
Hey!
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
They give me. What be this? What be this?
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, all you have to do for me is to make sure to watch this video to the very end, because it's just gonna be epic. You understand? It's gonna be epic. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to drop nice comments, and above all, share this video. Without saying much, let's go have some fun.
What is this guy saying first this morning?
It is in our play.
Which kind of play is this?
Hello sir, no place sir, don't they come like this.
Okay. Wait, why send you since 5 hours? What did happen now?
Now kill too much. I want to buy like this. Mawa.
Okay. I dey wait for you in a beg. I want come out.
Mawa, wake up now. Guys, don't they walk? I go late too. Where you go? I saw they go late too.
Nayansh.
Where no dey? Where no dey for keke? Where no dey na since morning they also full. I no see fuel buy. I no fit carry passenger. Now why they sleep?
We just
Jesus. Me I get fuel, I don't get keke. Case this life. They be like that now. So people fit get cab, no get head.
Who please?
So who could be cab? Who could be head? You get only cap now.
Are you whining yourself?
Okay, I get head. Now see my head. Okay, to let not. Bros. See, just turn small fuel for me for here. I'll carry that passenger. You know go pay. Alpha, where you go? Boss, I beg if you help me, I go late too. I enter my help. Thank you, boss. Not before be that. Yes, boss. I'm going to spend time my motor. I don't feel do am. Boss, we have to put up a boot. Put on.
Hey, you go run, oh. You go run, oh.
Hey,
what's your talk? You go run.
What was I got where? Yeah, take now. Look cap again, not the head. Where your cap?
You don't know.
Ajay, no cap.
No cap.
Oh, I don't go forget water. Hey, bros, I beg. If you help me hold this thing, hold on, man, water, I beg.
Nduka, you go chop him now. Nduka go chop your food, don't worry. I know say you go chop him.
Nduka, what do you do for here? Okay, I've been there, how they wait for you. I see me people on Mazi Street. Here on Mazi Street. Who can't give you rice with the chop? Nduka, so they wait for you. Person just come there, give me rice. Red gate, give you rice, you chop. See Nduka, from the beginning of this road to the end, now mortuary, no woman being they stay for here. So we say give you rice. See, you come hide. This guy. See now. Nobody they sit there.
I go so.
See, they too. They come out here, they too. You see that again? Nduka. See, that place is mortuary. Who can say give you rice?
Oh no, you didn't stay one place. What do you dey waka? You dey forget your better na tomorrow.
I give person my food. I know they see the food again.
Don't worry, food go plenty for your burial. More they go inside.
Hey, gates don't lock.
What do they use gates do? More they go away.
This shiny be fear. Okay. You want your phone?
Call my mama.
You dey forget me, your mama no good. I find my mama number. Call my mama. Call my mama now.
You don't chop ghost food.
Call my mama. Call my mommy there.
Who can finish him now?
Mazi. Uncle, you are looking good though.
Were you
expecting me to look bad before? Will you shut up? From G-Wagon, I don't do this to bicycle. You see the time you say, well, you just went to look bad before. You see the get pride on top bicycle. I tell you, I'll get to my boy. Nobody they follow me whole ground for spiritual matter. I don't get to my boy.
That's not my God. Every spirit of poverty around me. Holy Ghost fire! Uncle, you know if you get me now. Where space straight get me, you can't get me.
What is space trade?
Space trade is an app where you trade your cryptocurrencies and your gift card. Oku, they just launched a Naira wallet that enables you pay all your bills, like electricity bills. You can even recharge your GoTV, buy a recharge card, and lots more. Oku, they even get refer and in, which means if you refer person to use the app, they'll give you 1,000 Naira as bonus. Oh, my bad, Uncle. I just remembered you are not in the category to use this. You don't even have a phone, Uncle. I'm so sorry.
Oh, this laugh for the laugh, not near me.
Yeah.
Another bicycle will promise me be this.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, man.
I did 2 years. Now my papa don't promise me bicycle. I'm 25 years now. I'm still counting. Nothing don't happen. Mazi, instead of you to 4, my papa 4. Amen. Any evil way they plan against you, instead of want to reach you, me reach my papa.
Amen.
Oh,
I'm in a fucked up mood.
How much can be that?
Yes.
That's your first son, Zobo.
Oh, Chim.
I mean, the prayer of prayer for. You can't avoid me like say never see me for this slide before.
Uncle, even the Bible, even the family of the poor avoids him. They stalker, they always stalker.
Wow.
Why you can't give my bicycle no good?
Uncle, na so that now they always come back, they beg me for things. The happiness of a family. You did my palm.
This guy look at
How many I can't number. How many transfers I could do to show you
If I hear
that I
from
love
guy now,
you.
the message guy, I'm not going to even ask the what he kill you because I just say last na envy, then you go kill you.
This place for eating, not for playing love.
You not get him.
Waiter, give my water.
Enjoy your weekend.
I don't know why.
Madam, you go do fast too. Now short time now you pay for and I don't get plenty time to waste. Did you hear me? Meanwhile, no romance, no kissing, and straight to the point.
I don't hear you. Fine boy. Your blood the odds.
Ashawo man.
That's what I do for you.
Ashawo man.
I beg, give me 1 minute here. I will come.
Madam, you don't start to. I go vex come out to. Small thing I go to say, I shall to the get my body. Don't waste my time. I don't get time to waste.
Ashawo man.
Oh.
Your flight.
I did like come from back home. Give me back.
For how much will you pay with all the Celestine? Madam, I bet open leg. Customer when they pay one and I just the stress person pass. I bet time up.
Another person, no.
Take me where I know could do this thing.
Which kind of nonsense be that one? How many times you want to do me? How much you even pay?
Do you? What did they talk about?
Not you do me finish just now.
Me do you? Let's say they mad. Me where come out now, go find what you go wear. Maybe for do this thing. They tell me say I do you. Oh, I do wear something more with what you want.
Madam, not be you do me.
I don't understand.
Who I call open leg for?
What be this? What be this?
Are you playing?
April for December.
What
We must learn a lesson.
Cool, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty.
What's up?
I'm fine.
Alright.
Bellington, I'll tell you something. Can we knock?
If you are trying to prank me, where is the camera? Come outside me, I can't fall for your prank.
It's not a prank, like I mean it.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
They give me. What be this? What is this?
On one condition.
Which is?
Hey, y'all come look at
It
this.
has to be my place.
Okay, sure.
Please send me your account number. Let me send you something.
Account number. For what?
Are you playing?
Should be the one to appreciate you. I had a great time. You were so sweet. So happy.
Nigeria, you know possible, don't worry. You know possible, don't worry.
So I've told you if you have any problem, always tell me, okay? Prince, sir, I've sent you your salary, okay?
Oh, yeah, finally. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So what's the problem?
Sir, there's a lot of problem.
But this particular one started since 2001.
Prince, what is it?
No, nothing, sir. Nothing.
So, my dear, as you can see, I don't have enough time now. Send me your account number and the amount you need on my WhatsApp, okay? Do you have any money to go back home?
No, sir, I don't have.
Prince,
Up and grateful.
Prince, what is going on?
It's my conscience.
What is he doing up there?
Let's say it's sense strength.
Strength. Okay, now I'm gonna money for you. I'm gonna give you, babe.
I don't even know. I just stand for your front as they put on the trigger.
Look your eyes, shining like bright insta. Baby girl, I don't mind.
Nasty.
You go be my wife. When you down, you can call on me. I'll be at your.
Happy birthday, my love.
Happy birthday.
I have a gift for you.
Oh no way! I feel 14.
From Honcho Gadgets, they're the best in terms of phones, laptop, and accessories.
Baby, thank you so much. Oh, my in-law.
Mama?
You are here.
Yes, ma. Yeah, Mama, I have something for you.
My son, thank you.
You're welcome, Mama.
When you down, you can call on me.
My mom is here.
I'll draw you up. Cause when I see your bum bum, I know they hear caution.
No believe it.
You like Panadol. They cure my bottom. Jesus Christ.
Women.
The real in-law.
Yes, ma. Happy birthday, Hassanwa. My tomato drops. I miss you.
I miss it too, Chief.
Oh.
My in-law. Who's that boy outside? Yeah.
Oh, that one. One of our family members.
Jesus!
Make money over you, love. Money for me.
Oh. This one going to enter inside, but you don't go enter inside. Will you take your gifts back, Abi? I didn't get it.
Yes.
Every time you're scrolling from Instagram to Snapchat to TikTok, sliding into girls' DM. You're not taking me on my trip, Abi.
This kid. Always aggressive.
See, I wasn't sliding into any DM. I was making money online on MTN gaming platform. They offer different kinds of casino games, slot PG games, aviator games, and also Wingo games. They also have a Telegram channel that offers short prediction. The best part is you can withdraw your money to any Nigerian bank. That's how I intended to pay for your vacation. Now, to register, click the link on your bio.
On my bio?
Yes, your bio with your phone number and a password. You're set.
Always aggressive.
I do not know.
My screen?
Don't break now.
True to God, I'm sorry.
Run the outside.
Don't worry,
With
never
a load.
somebody like me in your life again. You miss my body. My body.
We really talking about my body.
We need some flat
My body. What to do with my body?
The country yard I no go lie. To
the
make
apple
up for
boy.
lack not die.
Don't worry, babe. When my shema start to be my work, 5 doors go up. I'll buy one private jet. I'll buy one truck with my mama. Make sure they sell tomatoes. No say tomatoes out there. Abi, you no like to the ship for private jet. Abi, you no like to the go steady vacation. Very soon we'll go steady vacation.
You last one, you know say any fear. Upon all the old one, 1 year today, still get my the guy get the concert. Now play with that.
Now me the talk to last one, aka raw. Now you the talk to. Wait, so you don't get respect for new take car.
That's why you know the fear. See, it's that way. We say some of this so they boom yourself. See, if you move, I go put you at task.
You don't forget how to call him many minutes. Those are this shiki. You see my neck, you see man. Now go to raw.
I told you, man.
What's going on here? What this mouth will you make finish? What the mouth will you make finish?
Okay, Shaggy, yes. This next thing that I want you to do, I want you to be focused.
Okay.
And concentrate. Because you know why? It's going to be a great weight on top of you. I want you to be able to absorb that weight. I want you to focus and really give it your best. first.
Look, I will carry weight.
In fact, no, let me explain to you what you're going to do. So, this is it.
Hey!
This is you will die.
Hey! Woman don't kill her. Woman don't fire. Don't break your hand.
Sir, I don't do.
Shaggy, come back here. It's only 200 kilograms of human weight. What's the problem?
Oga, now only me, my mama.
God have mercy upon us.
Wait, no run.
Robbie's got a pass to a pigeon because he's a jackass and holy shit ball! That pigeon got smacked. Awful first touch here from the pigeon on the wings. That pigeon did not hear the ball because he had his AirPods on. But either way, being a bird...
हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी
What be this?
हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप जिंदगी छाँव है कभी
Hey! If I hear.
Pew?
Wetin be this? Which kind of film trick be this one? Mona suffer the lie now. Mona suffer the lie. Which kind of one? See as it be. God, God. Not even person no go see you. Like not even person no go see. Anyway, na comedy, sha. Na comedy. It's okay. It's okay. But I enjoyed everything. But there's something I find very, very disturbing here, and that's I think the two videos before this last one. That small boy, you know, wearing chains and all those things. I think I find that video quite disturbing because I don't know, the society, they don't change so many things this time around. Like, how will a boy like that? That boy, I don't think that boy is up to 15 years. At least he should be 15 at most. You know, acting such content, HK content, Yahoo content. For me, I don't like it. I really don't like it. Like, it's somehow, I don't know about you guys, but for me personally, you know, I don't find it interesting. But anyways, thanks guys for sticking to the very end. I believe you enjoyed it because I actually did, apart from that very one I'm talking about. You can as well check out my other videos. I have so many videos, so many videos, you understand? So just help me check them out and drop nice comments on all the videos you watch. Share my videos guys, it's very, very necessary. And make sure to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. See you in the next one guys. Peace out.